Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
I started searching for a new mobile service. So one of the options I had was I heard about Mint Mobile, which seems to be a good company to sign up for. And I also saw that they have some very good competitive priced plan. Like if you see, there's a 4 gigabytes, $15 per month. And if you want unlimited, you have $30 per month. Pretty good deals compared to the other carriers, the big ones like T-Mobile and Verizon. So I thought I would go with the 4 gigabytes, $15 per month option. So I ordered that and I just received my new SIM card. So let's take a look. So I got the card with the kit. So the kit has not only the SIM card, it also has an activation code on the back of the card. So let's go ahead and activate the card. So click on activate on mintmobile.com, and then on the your act code field, enter the value as displayed there on the screen on the right side. So based on that, from your card, input the numbers here. I'm not going to show you the number because for obvious reasons I don't want to create a security issue. So I've already entered, so it's taken me to the next screen. So the active code is valid. So I try to see if the cell phone I have is compatible. So I have a Samsung M30s, Galaxy M30s phone. So I'm searching for it now. I see that there are a lot of phones that are compatible. So I found mine here in the list. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to say check phone after that. So when I do that, I felt a little upset that it says it's not compatible, but we don't have to worry. Let's see if it's really not compatible. So what I did was I'm going to skip the step of making sure the phone is compatible. So I'm going to use the skip the step option, and now it takes me to see if you want to transfer your current number. So I'm going to transfer my current number, which is with another provider. So I'm going to enter the zip code and then I say transfer the number. So I entered my zip code. Now you click on transfer your number and it's listing all the main carriers. So if it's not listed, search for your carrier and then enter the details, and you get the details from your current carrier's website or calling the customer service. And now I'm able to put in all those details. Now I'm going to put my first name, last name and my email, and then go to the next step. So it tells me that my number transfer is in progress, and it gives me a temporary number which I can use before the whole number is transferred for now, if I want to make calls right away. So I'm all set. Activation is complete, it says, which basically means my SIM card is ready to be installed on my phone. So now I'm going to go to my phone and install the new SIM. So now once this is my phone, I'm going to remove the SIM card from the slot where I put the SIM card in and open it and take the old SIM card out. You see I have 2 slots available for SIM cards, but I'm going to use only one. I'm going to remove the old one and put the Mint Mobile new SIM card I just got, which I just activated too. So I also have a SD card. So which already existed. So I make sure that you put the SIM card correctly. So now I've actually put it in the right spot, the right way. If you observe, now it's in the right spot. So I put back the SIM card into the slot and restart my phone. So once I restart my phone, it'll show that there was a text message from Mint. So basically, it looks like things are working. So now looks like I'm restarting my phone. So we are almost ready with the new SIM card and the phone. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.